Hey there, this is Alex over at DuraLabel, and in this video, we're going to show you how to connect your cloud services with LabelForge PRO on the PC. One thing to make note of when connecting to cloud services, this is a feature that's only going to be applicable to the PC desktop application and not the actual standalone devices. The first thing that we're going to want to do is actually go into the cloud option along the left-hand side. Once we're there, we can click on OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, depending on which service we want to log into. Whether you're working collaboratively as a team or you intend to use LabelForge PRO on a couple different PCs, using cloud services can be a great way to speed up time when it comes to sharing files. With that said, in this video, we're going to actually be showing you how to log into Dropbox. In order to do that, you'll just want to make sure you do select that tab from the options above. Since we do usually begin in this OneDrive area, I'll just go ahead and click in the appropriate tab, and then we'll want to click on this Login with Dropbox option. Once you've clicked on that option, it'll open up your browser and give you the option to log into Dropbox here. I'll go ahead and do that really quick and then show you what it looks like once you're logged in. Now that I'm logged into Dropbox through LabelForge PRO, we can see all the templates that I currently have stored in there. I'm going to select the template that I want to load, and this is going to open up in our Label Designer module. Once we have this open, we can print the label if we need or make any changes if necessary. If you do make any changes to this label and you need to resave it back to Dropbox, in order to do that, you'll just want to select this hamburger menu in the top left-hand corner. Then you'll want to select Save to Cloud, and then you'll want to select the Dropbox option. From here, you'll just need to rename the file if necessary. Otherwise, you can always save it as the same name in order to overwrite the existing file that's in the Dropbox folder. Click on Save, and then you have that saved back to Dropbox. Hopefully this video was able to help you learn a little bit more about connecting LabelForge PRO to the cloud services, as well as saving labels to them if needed. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching. For further assistance, visit our website and contact our team for your free lifetime support.